Imagine having your home on wheels. A vehicle that gives you freedom, comfort, and adventure, without feeling bulky or hard to drive. Today, we're taking a complete tour of this modern, compact camper van, designed for people who want to travel smart, stay comfortable, and explore without limits. So buckle up, because this camper might just be your next dream home on the road. This camper van looks clean, modern, and premium from every angle. The sleek white body with bold graphic accents gives it a sporty yet elegant appearance that instantly stands out on the road. It doesn't feel oversized, which makes it perfect for long highway drives as well as city streets. The large tinted windows not only improve visibility inside, but also provide privacy and insulation. The side entry door is wide and easy to access, making getting in and out comfortable even after a long journey. On the roof, there's space for accessories like solar panels or additional storage, ideal for off-grid travel. Stylish alloy wheels enhance the overall look while ensuring stability and smooth handling. Overall, the exterior design feels practical, aerodynamic, and clearly built for real travelers. Now let's step inside. And this is where the camper truly impresses. The interior feels bright, open, and intelligently designed. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, making it feel much bigger and more welcoming. The seating area is cozy yet functional, perfect for relaxing, working, or enjoying meals on the road. High-quality materials and smart storage solutions keep everything organized and comfortable during long trips. The kitchen area is compact but extremely practical. It features a clean countertop, a sink with modern fittings, storage cabinets for daily essentials, and space for a stove and refrigerator. Everything is positioned within easy reach, making cooking simple and enjoyable even while traveling. Yes, this camper also includes a fully functional bathroom. You get a toilet, sink, and shower setup, giving you privacy and comfort no matter where you park. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed for restful nights. The mattress support, ventilation, and layout ensure you wake up refreshed and ready for the next adventure. This interior proves that smart design matters more than size. Now let's talk about performance, because comfort means nothing if the drive isn't smooth. This camper van is built on a reliable commercial chassis, delivering smooth acceleration, stable highway cruising, and confident handling. The driving position feels natural, similar to a regular van, which makes it easy to drive even for first-time camper owners. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, while responsive steering makes city driving and tight turns stress-free. Whether you're cruising on open highways or navigating urban roads, the driving experience feels relaxed and controlled. In the end, this camper van is a perfect choice for travelers who want comfort without compromise. It combines a stylish exterior, a smart and comfortable interior, reliable performance, and easy drivability, all in one well-designed package. If you're looking for a camper that feels like home yet drives like a van, this one truly stands out. Thanks for watching. And if freedom, travel, and smart design inspire you, this camper might be exactly what you've been searching for.